This video is tutorial of HU64. First of all, insert the Lishi into the lock cylinder. The second step, look for the position of every wafer. Touch it from the first position. If it is elastic, its position of wafer. If it's not elastic, there's no wafer here. Try to touch the third. Here's wafer position. The first, third, fifth, seventh, ninth positions are up. The second, fourth, sixth, eighth, 10th positions are down. The next step is to pick the lock. Keep pushing the tension bar depending on the arrow. And now touch the positions and look for the hard positions. The first one is elastic. The third one is spongy. The fifth is also spongy. The seventh is the same spongy. But the ninth position is hard. Please click it. Go on the next one. The second is hard. Please click it. The fourth is also what we are looking for. Click it. The sixth is spongy. The eighth is also hard. Please click it. The 10th position is hard. Please click it. And try to touch and look for the hard position again. If we meet the hard position like this, please click it. The lock is picked. Right now, we need to get key codes from every position. The first code is 3. The third is also 3. The fifth code is 5. The 7th code is also 5. The 9th code is 2. Go on the other side. The second code is 1. The fourth code is 3. The sixth code is 5. The 8th code is 4. The 10th code is 2. All codes are ready. And right now, how to get a new key from these codes via 2m2tank CNC key cutting machine? First of all, connect the Bluetooth. Click the Bluetooth switch. Click Search again. Click Bluetooth number. Connection is OK. Enter the option cut by biddings. Here we search HU64. 3 options. Which one should we choose? Let me tell the differences of them. Please watch the part of shoulder. One side is protruded. We should select HU60 for 3. Another type is that both sides are protruded. We should select the first one. For example, single side is protruded. We should select HU60 for 3. Enter this option. We will install the key blank depending on the guide picture. Click Continue and input the key code 133555-422. At last, all is ready. Please click Cut. Click Continue.